Alright, in lesson 9.5, we are going to work on our distance and midpoint formulas. But because we just did the Pythagorean theorem, we're going to first go through how you can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance between 2 points on a line. So, here are the steps we're going to follow. Step 1, label the coordinates for point A and point B. So here's our origin. Point A, first you go 1 to the right for the x, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that has the ordered pair 1, comma 6. Alright, now let's figure out the coordinates for point B. From the origin we're going to go to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up 2. So that's going to be 8, comma 2. Alright, so we did step 1. Now draw a vertical line down from point A. So point A, draw a vertical line going down until we're in line with point B. So it's going to get us to there. That was not a very good vertical line. Let me try that again. Well, it's a little bit better. Alright, draw a horizontal line left from point B. Label the intersections of the two lines C. So where these two hit, we have point C. Find the length of AC and CB. So because we're on a coordinate plane, we can just count this. From A to C is 1, 2, 3, 4. And from C to B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, now you can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. So there's our hypotenuse. So we're going to do 4 squared plus 7 squared equals x squared. Remember the c squared in Pythagorean theorem has to be your hypotenuse. Alright, 4 squared is 28 plus 49 equals x squared. And then we can go ahead and add 28 plus 49. Where did I get 28 from? Did you guys catch that mistake? Go ahead and change that if you have not yet. I don't know if it's not going to let me erase it. That should be a 16. 4 squared is 16. Sometimes your brain will just do math with numbers. So my brain took the 4 and the 7 and multiplied it together to get 28, which is not what we were trying to do whatsoever. Alright, 16 plus 49 is 65 equals x squared. And then we square root both sides. And because this is a distance measurement again from a triangle, we don't need the plus or minus, so x is equal to the square root of 65. And you do want to think about, can you reduce the square root of 65? And our perfect squares did not fit into it, so that is the hypotenuse of the triangle, which is also the distance from point A to point B. Alright, and then here we have our two formulas. First, the distance formula. So if you are given 2 points on a line, so x1 and y1 and x2 and y2, you can find the distance between any 2 points by following this formula. Basically what you're doing is you are subtracting the x's, squaring that answer, subtracting the y's, squaring that answer, add them together, and then take the square root of the whole thing. Our midpoint formula, again given 2 points, you want to find the midpoint, which is the point halfway in the middle of the 2 points. Here's our formula right here. And basically what we're doing here is we are adding the x's and then dividing by 2 to get to the middle, adding the y's and dividing by 2 to get to the middle. So remember, midpoint will be an ordered pair for your answer. So you will have an x and a y midpoint.